Okay. Okay, before we start this YouTube video, make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Thank you. So, yeah, I'm gonna be, sorry about the background noise, I'm gonna be reviewing, four guns. I'm gonna be reviewing four guns. These are nerf guns. Okay, so let's get on to the biz. So, first gun, I've got what this name is, but yeah.
It was my boyfriend, your boyfriend. Where does he live? We were at a motel and a motel.
Okay, now, yeah. So the pros about this gun is, it comes with extra dots.
Excuse me, did I just hear your patient say she was at the possum? Because I just took a theft report from the possum. Guy says a woman ripped him off.
Ripped him off how?
He's tricking a book. He goes to the bathroom, she takes off his wallet. Took his pills too.
I'm sorry.
She mentioned something about that. Do you know what kind?
Yep.
Something just bumped me.
I just thought, dear God.
Oh.
Hold your right arm off.
So yeah.
Dr. Valenti's confused patient suddenly has a new symptom.
So, here's the armrest. So, I'm going to show you how to make one of my custom guns. So take this gun, and either take armrest from any kind of gun. From a disc gun, maybe.
Bleeding is obvious on a head CT. I don't see any.
So, not a stroke?
Probably not. But with an ischemic stroke, sometimes we don't see changes for up to 24 hours.
Excuse me. Oh, Dr. Valenti. Hi, I'm Michael. Marley's brother. You're my mom's attending physician, right?
Hi, Michael.
Then,
Yeah, I was just trying to be consistent.
you can either get a super soaker gun, which I got. So, now, if you have one of these guns, and you want to switch it, put this right here.
It's a stroke. My father died of a stroke.
He reiterates the same thing. He's concerned that his mom's having a stroke too. Doesn't explain her fever or
So yeah,
still looking
we
for
could kind of switch it.
She may also have sepsis.
So that's how I'm going to keep it.
Lung infection.
So, yeah.
It causes
So, I'm trying to give you a closer view.
Haven't you done a CT scan?
I have. My preliminary review of the CT scan. I don't see any blood.
And put down when to shoot.
A stroke frequently doesn't show
So
up
I
right
put
away,
this up,
particularly if there's a blood clot.
and then I put it down when to shoot.
Well, you're right about that.
So yeah.
Still waiting for the final radiology to read.
Okay, now next up is this pistol gun,
To the brain. If it's not
this
treated
knife finder.
with blood-thinning medications, then it can cause irreversible damage to the
So
brain.
then we got the mavrick.
You should be administering blood-thinning meds,
Mavrick.
preparing her for surgery in case she has a clot.
So the mavrick holds 8 dots, and yeah. So yeah, so yeah, that's it. And the reason I haven't been giving you videos is because I haven't had a working computer or a working nerf on pixel gun. So yeah. So yeah. Sorry about the background noise. So you would hold this right here, and you take it, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the eyes view. Okay, and then let's get to this gun.
Everyone understands that it is well within the scope of their ability to take care of this patient, and the team is confident. So the key is,
And then the knife finder,
I needed him awake for the airway in.
a paper.
I needed to find his cricothyroid membrane, which is the only place soft enough to penetrate with our airway kit.
Hey, thanks for coming. Just set up the bag. Give him some flow bio too, alright?
And
Slowly from the trauma, the storage of anatomy on his neck making it difficult to find a landmark.
so that's what it looks like when you aim and shoot. And yeah, hope you'll like, favorite, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace. And
going somewhere
Tell me if you want
down
longer videos, and I'll maybe give you some.
escaping
Bye.
and getting into the